Beautiful large one bedroom in Flushing. This is entrance. A large living room. Beautiful hardwood floors. High ceiling. It's got a lot of lights during the day. On the left is the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen, got a lot of cabinets. It's got dishwasher. There's a closet on the entrance, coat closet. It's another closet, it's linen closet. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom. There's closets here. Also another closet here, a double door closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. Laundry in the building, elevator building. Apartment's very close to the 7 train. The apartment's a very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.